Creating consistent anime character in MidJourney. MidJourney version 6 is finally here, and it's the most advanced AI art generator yet. Whether you're an artist, designer, or content creator, this new version brings better realism, improved prompts, understanding, and insane details. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through what's new in MidJourney version 6, how to access and set it up, how to write powerful prompts for ultra-realistic results, advanced settings and features, and the best tips to get the most out of MidJourney version 6. Let's dive right in. Now, before we get started with the official tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, first things first, let's talk about what's new in MidJourney version 6. MidJourney version 6 brings major improvements that make AI-generated images more realistic, detailed, and customizable than ever before. The biggest update or upgrade is its enhanced ability to understand prompts better, allowing for more precise image generator. The level of details and realism has also been significantly improved, making images look sharper and more lifelike. One of the most exciting improvements is the handling of hands and faces, which eliminates many of the distortion seen in previous version. MidJourney version 6 now supports longer and more complex prompts, enabling users to describe scenes in greater depth. It also offers better image consistency, which is great for brands and content creators looking for uniformity in their work. With this upgrade, MidJourney version 6 is a game changer, especially for those who want hyper-realistic AI art. Now let's talk about on how you can access MidJourney version 6. Now getting started, MidJourney version 6 is simple. First, you need to go ahead and join their Discord server. To do this, you can just navigate through their official website, which is midjourney.com. Once inside, it will then take you to this page. Now, in my case, I'm already signed into my account, but in your case, it will basically look different. You can just go ahead and click on the sign in button, and from there, you will be able to go ahead and click on the Discord server. Right after, you will then go ahead and join with the Discord server right here. And basically, this is where we can go ahead and create our images for MidJourney. Now to get Discord, you can just search for Discord on your browser. And right after, you want to navigate through the official website, which is discord.com. From here, click on download for Windows, and it will now go ahead and install and download to our device right here. Right after that, once again, you can just navigate back to the MidJourney application or website. And from here, we can now go ahead and start creating our prompt. Now, MidJourney's AI generates fresh images with every prompt, which can make character continuity difficult unlike traditional anime design software. MidJourney doesn't use layer or reusable models. Instead, it relies heavily on descriptive prompts, reference images, and specific settings. Recognizing this limitation is the first step to mastering consistent anime character creation. Now, you want to craft detailed and specific prompts. The cornerstone of character consistency is detailed, specific prompts focused on defining key anime features. For example, hair color, eye color, clothing, facial expression, and signature accessories. For example, instead of saying anime girl, you can specify it to become 16-year-old anime girl with long pink twin tails, bright green eyes, wearing a futuristic school uniform with a red ribbon and white boots. Repetition is key. Use consistent descriptors in every prompt to reinforce the character's core traits, including details about the scene's background, lighting, and mood. It helps to maintain uniformity across various images. Now, for the third tip, it is going to be utilizing the image references for stronger consistency. One of the most effective ways to maintain anime character consistency is using an anime or image reference. You can generate an initial image for your character and you want to upload it to Discord. Now, you can go ahead and include it to the image link in your prompt. And so, as an example, I have this example prompt right here: a teenage samurai with spiky black hair, a red scarf, traditional hakama, and determined expression. if you want to go ahead and use a reference image, you can just go ahead and click on a specific image right here, right click on it, click on copy link, and from there you can just go ahead and paste it inside the image link right here. And so with this reference image, you will be able to generate a similar or a continuity design for your anime design. Now, looking character traits with the seed command. Now basically MidJourney generates images based on random seeds, leading to varied results even with identical prompts. To anchor certain design elements, you want to use the seed command. Now for example, let's go ahead and use this command right here. So you have your imagine a magical girl with silver girl, sapphire blue eyes, and glowing staff. You can just go ahead and use the feature seed right here as an example, which is going to be 6789 for this specific prompt. Reusing the same seed number helps maintain key visual traits. You can tweak other elements in the prompt while preserving core characteristics, creating different scenes without losing consistency. Now you have to go ahead and fine tune with the Vary region tool. Now, MidJourney version 6 introduces the Vary region tool, allowing you to modify specific parts of an image while keeping the rest intact. This is invaluable for anime character consistency, letting you change outfits, background, or facial expression without altering the core design. Basically, right after generating an image, you can then go ahead and choose between the Vary region tool. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the examples right here. Now basically right after generating your image, we have the option to choose between the Vary region subtle or the Vary strong. You can then go ahead and select on a specific part of an area, and from there you will be able to edit this with the Vary region tool. Now for large projects, consider character tokens or custom models. Character tokens are unique phrases that produce consistent results, like combining the character's name with descriptors. For example, using Yuki, the ice mage, in the prompt helps the AI associate specific traits with that name. Custom models involve training AI with specific character data for consistent output. While this requires external tools and more technical knowledge, it's powerful for professional projects and brand identity. Now in conclusion, achieving consistent anime characters in MidJourney may seem complex, but with detailed prompts, images reference, the seed command, and tools like Vary region, it's entirely possible. Mastering these techniques lets you create characters that remain visually consistent across diverse scenes and styles. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment below your thoughts or share your own tips for maintaining anime character consistency. Thanks for watching and happy creating with MidJourney.